Dear students for third prep, this is the third part. طبعا احنا قلنا هنكمل ال essay question for geometry. هنكمل essay question which we have. And we have stopped in this question. If C is the midpoint of AB, then find the value of each of X and Y. طبعا midpoint, if you want to remember midpoint, the midpoint rule in X1 plus X2 over 2 y1 plus y2 over 2. طب since C midpoint of AB, where is AB? This is AB, A and B, and C is the midpoint. C is midpoint. Then 4 to 6 equals midpoint, which is x plus 6 over 2 and 3 plus y over 2. Then x plus 6 over 2 equal 4. X coordinates equal x coordinates. This one are equal. Then multiply using scissors. X plus 6 equals 2 times 4 equal 8, and x equal 8 minus 6, which is 2. طب what about y? هقوله then 3 plus y over 2 second part هيبقى equal second part. يعني that's mean 3 plus y over 2 equals 6. Multiply 2 times 6, then 3 plus y equal 12, then y equal 12 minus 3 equal 9. يبقى then أنا جبت له كده x equals 2 and y equals 9. That's the required. Find the slope and the intercept. Let's solve the first question. We have two questions in the screen. First question we solve by way, and second question by another way, and both of them give you the same answer. طب slope m equal negative coefficient of x over coefficient of y. طب coefficient of x is 3 and coefficient of y is 4. That means it's negative 3 over 4, which is negative 3 over 4. طب what about C? C equal negative constant over coefficient of y. Constant, we have the constant which is negative 5. So negative 5. Negative, I have a negative 5 over, may I change the color, negative 5 over coefficient of y 4, it's 5 over 4. And that's mean m, the slope m, that's mean, slope equal negative 3 over 4, and y-intercepts, I haven't s, y-intercepts equals 5 over 4 length unit from positive direction of y-axis. Second one, we're gonna to solve with another way. Here we have 3 and 2. We can multiply the question by 6. يبقى then x over 3 plus y over 2 equal 1. Multiply all the parts by 6. 1 times 6 equals 6. And divide by 2, 3. Here I have 3y. And here I have 2x. Then we can say 3y equals 6 minus 2x. I get out of 2x, I get out of it here, so it will be negative. So divide by 3 again, over 3, over 3, over 3, then y equal 6 over 3, which is 2, and negative 2 over 3x. Here I have c and m. What is c? c equal 2 and m equal negative 2 over 3, because the equation y equal mx plus c. يبقى I have solved it by two ways. One of them y individual، لو خليت y في طرف لوحديها بعرف الام والسي. طب لو كلهم في طرف واحد بنستخدم negative coefficient of x over coefficient of y. لازم I have two skills, must be I have two skills. Many skills make math so easy, which cuts a part of length 3 units from negative. Here I have missing something. Find the equation. Three units from negative direction is parallel to here. I'm sorry. We have find equation. Top. I have C. C equals 3 unit from negative direction of y-axis. C equal negative 3. And it's parallel to a slope of given line equal negative coefficient of x, negative 2 over coefficient of y, which is negative 3. At 2, I bought it negative 2. I bought it negative 2 over coefficient of y, negative 3. It's 2 over 3. And since they are parallel, a slope of required one, sorry, required one equal m equals the same slope 2 over 3. I have m, so I have m and c. I have m and c. Then my equation, then y equal mx plus c. Then the equation y equals 2 over 3x plus c. It's minus 3. We have solved it. It's too easy. Passing through برضو again. I want to solve any equation, I must find m and c. Passing through perpendicular to the straight line. Again, slope of given line equal half directly y because it's mx plus c. طب يبقى في different هنا one side فعملت negative coefficient of x over coefficient of y. But here y is individual, يبقى this is m equal half. طب then slope of required, are they parallel? No, they are perpendicular. So that slope of required equal negative 2 over 1. يبقى هنا مثلا لو كانت 3 over 4 يبقى هنا negative 4 over 3. You must know it because the product of them equal negative 1. And then y equals m x plus c. Then y equal negative 2x plus c. What is the negative 2? This is my negative 2. the m. طب. And it's passing through the point it's passing through the point negative 2 and 3. This is my x. So I will put x equal negative 2 here, and I will put y equal 3. Then 3 equal negative 2 times negative 2 plus c. Negative 2 times negative 2 equal 4. Then 3 equal 4 plus c. Get out of 4. Then c equals 3 minus 4. Get ready for a minute. So my answer, it will be negative 1. Then the equation, then y equal negative 2x minus 1. Prove the points are collinear. So it's too easy question. Slope of AB it can be solved by distance, by the way. But slope of AB equal, straight line equal, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Yep, 4, and here I have 3 minus 1 over 4 minus 1, it's 2 over 3. Slope of BC, another one, by the same rule, 1 minus negative 3 over 1 minus negative 5. Here I have I have 4 over 6, which is the same 2 over 3. يبقى then slope of AB equal slope of BC, and B is common point. I have to hurry up, sorry. Then A, B, and C are collinear. They mean they have the same straight line. By the way, we can solve it by distance of AB and distance of BC and distance of AC. One of them will equal the other two. Find the equation of the straight line passing through the point and perpendicular. Again, perpendicular يبقى slope of given equals 4 minus negative 1 over negative 7 minus 3. 4 minus negative 1, 5 over negative 10, it's a negative half. Again, يبقى slope of required, are they parallel? No. يبقى parallel كان هتبقى negative half, لكن perpendicular هتبقى 2 over 1, which is 2. Since y equal mx plus c, then y equal 2x plus c, and 1 to 5 belong to straight line. Then this is x and this is y. Substituting with them to find the value of c, then 5 equals 2 times 1 plus c. Here I put 1 as rather than, and the substitute was 5. Substitute y with 5, that's mean 5 equal 2 plus c, then c equal 5 minus 2 equals 3. Then the equation, this is the last one, the equation of the straight line is y equals mx plus c, m equal 2, x and c, we have c equal 3 plus 3. Find the equation of axis symmetry. This is very important one of AB. If I have AB line segment, this is my A and this is my B. What is the equation of the axis of symmetry? Axis of symmetry, it means perpendicular and bisect. So let my axis of symmetry be xy. It's passing through midpoint of AB. Midpoint because it's a perpendicular and bisect. So how can I find slope? I must find the slope of AB, then find the perpendicular to it. يبقى slope of AB equal y2 minus y1, 5 minus 3 over x2 minus x1, 3 minus 1. And as usual احنا قلنا لو هنقول 3 minus 5 يبقى 1 minus 3. It will be the same answer at the end. 2 over 2, it will be 1. طب slope of axis of symmetry, which is required line, هيبقى changed, هتبقى negative 1 because it's perpendicular. Axis of symmetry perpendicular and bisect. Then y equal mx plus c. This is the equation of the axis of symmetry. Then y equal negative x plus c. طب passing through A, هنا لازم اجيب الميد بوينت. mid point of AB belong to axis of symmetry. طب what is the midpoint? Midpoint x1 plus x2 over 2 and y1 plus y1 over 2, 1 plus 3 over 2 and 3 plus 5 over 2, which is 2 and 4. Then I have to substitute with x2 and y4. Then 4 equal negative 2 plus c. Get rid of negative 2. C equals 4 plus negative 2. Sorry, plus 2 directly equals 6. Then the equation of axis of symmetry of AB line segment is y equal negative x plus 6. Here we have another idea. If we have find the equation of the straight line passing through 2 points, يبقى here directly m equal y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1 equals 6 minus 2 over negative 1 minus 1. 6 minus 2 equal 4 over negative 2 equal negative 2. يبقى then y equal mx plus c, then y equal negative 2x plus c. طب and passing through any point, of them. What is the point? Any one, 1, 2, negative 1, 6, any one of them. So let's substitute with 1 and 2. Then 1, I have, y, here y, 2, this is y, and x equal 1 equals negative 2 times 1 plus c, then 2 equal negative 2 times 1 equal negative 2 plus c, then c equal 2 plus 2 equal 4. Since the equation y equals negative 2x plus 4. Here I have another line. Prove the straight line AB parallel to the straight line whose equation x minus 2. Here we must use slope directly. M1, since M1 equal, here we have negative coefficient of x and negative 1 because coefficient of x equal 1 over negative coefficient of 2 over coefficient of y, directly, which is negative 2 equal half. And since M2 equal y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, 1 minus 3 over negative 2 minus 2, here we have negative 2 over negative 4, which is half. Since M1 equal M2, then L1 parallel to L2, and this is the required. Here we have the last question. I think this is the last one. Find the equation of the straight line which intercepts from positive part of the coordinates of x-axis and y-axis 4 and 9. Since it's passing through x-axis and 4 parts, this means the point 4 to 0, and second one y-axis and 9, 0 to 9 belong to straight line. How can I get it? Intercept x-axis, that's mean y equals 0, and intercept y-axis, that's mean x equals 0. Straight line. Then m equals slope equal y2 minus y1, 9 minus 0 over 0 minus 4, which is negative 9 over 4. And this is mean, and since y equal mx plus c, then y equal negative 9 over 4x plus c. But I have c here. I have c directly. What is the c? My c is 9. Why it's 9? Because intercepted part of y-axis, this is my c. So my c directly is 9. So we have m and we have c. We have finished the question. And this is must be, each time must write the equation, and please be organized more than me.